everyone, in this video we are going to see 5 best programming projects that beginners can work on during these days of quarantine. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first one that I have in my list is a simple Android or web application where you can create a simple to-do list application. You can learn about various CRUD operations, refresh your database concepts, and also create UI UX components which can be integrated with your Android or web application. Number two is to create a personal programming portfolio. So by creating this project, you will have two benefits. The first one is that creating a programming portfolio website is very easy. You need to have basic knowledge about HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and a bit of JavaScript. Also, you can showcase your talents such as your volunteer experience, your work experience, and your personal projects, and also tell about your education and much more on your website. And the second advantage is that your portfolio website can act as a virtual resume that resides online. Number three is to create a simple game or GUI application using Python. Python actually makes it very easy for you to create gaming applications and graphical user interfaces. You can make use of simple GUI or Kinter module for making graphical user interfaces using Python. Also, you can make use of Pygame module for creating gaming applications. Number four is to implement simple machine learning models, such as you can start off with by creating simple regression and classification models, such as stock market price prediction, or creating a classification model for classifying an email as spam or not spam. And then slowly move on to more complex models, such as a convolutional neural network, which is used for image processing. And then slowly move on to more complex deep learning models. So number five and the final one is to create a simple text editor using Java. The aim of this project is to create a simple text editor similar to that of Notepad application that you use on your Windows machine. So you can create this simple text editor application using Swing GUI toolkit. So various resources and various tools and some sample projects based on these 5 topics are given in the description below. Do check them out, and if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you will get notified each time I post a new video. So that is it for this video. I will catch you up in the next one. Until then, goodbye.